Hey everyone, this has been a crazy 2 weeks. So today I want to do these. I'm going to use purple ashes, the pink, this beautiful blue, well, it's a violet with blue iridescence, and the silver. So I started out with using my NYX Lavender as a base color, and I decided to use, and since these don't have the name on it, I forgot the name of it, but it was the Holiday Pixie collection from WetnWild back in, like, I don't know, 2010 or 11, and I'm going to be using the purple side. So I'm going to go in that pretty purple lavender color. I already had a tiny bit of makeup on because we had inspectors coming today, the fire inspectors. So I had the tiniest bit of makeup, so. Now I'm gonna go into that purple, and it's kind of fat. I hope it's not gonna be too messy. I haven't used this brush in a long time. Sorry if there is a lot of noise. It's been crazy here. It's like 80 one day and then it could drop down to like 50, 60 the next. And it's cool outside but humid in the apartment. I got my dishwasher running. My daughter did the rest of the dishes this morning. So anyway, I took that. It looks like it's white, but it's got like a purple duochrome to it. And these, you got to put so many both of these you have to put a lot of coats on, but I just went to WetnWild's YouTube channel, and I've been so busy. If they posted on Instagram, I didn't notice it, but now they're saying that these are lip toppers. Yeah, because they are so sheer. This is a really beautiful color. All right, let's see. See how pretty that is? That is really pretty. It's like a lavender with a blue duochrome. I'm just trying to get as much as possible, shape it. I think I'm gonna let that dry. I don't know, usually it needs 2 coats. I'm wondering if that 1 coat is enough. I'm just gonna give it 2 coats anyway. See if I can really make it stand out. See, I don't know if you can tell, but it's so sheer you need 2. And once you put the 2nd coat, it looks really nice. And definitely it needs a base color underneath. So I'm trying to make it dry. So I will finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Forgot to do the eyeliner. Okay, it's really a light pink. I really don't like how thick these things are. I've said it before. I question how it will look, but it looks kind of cute. I think these light eyeliners should be used when you're doing like a black eyeshadow, but I guess it's not bad. It's very thick and hard to control. I don't even know, I can't even see it in the camera, but I'm gonna put a little bit more on the edge, on the corner here. All right. I was like, did I do my eyeliner? I said, let me just show you now. All right, be right back. Now I know what my brother means by he takes a pill when he feels like his vertigo's coming on, because there are days when I feel really dizzy and it almost feels like vertigo, but the room isn't spinning. But today, I don't know what I did with my head, maybe sudden movements, and then they have the fire alarm on because they were testing. The inspectors came today and they were inspecting the fire alarm, the sprinklers, the, you know, that fire, whatever you call that thing, the thing that stops the fire, because right now my head feels like if I'm about to get vertigo. When it happened to me, it was at night, so I was sleeping, I just woke up, but I'm a little nervous right now. Now I know what it means. And I'm contemplating whether I should take a pill or not, just in case. I'm wondering if between the loud fire alarm in my ear, and this morning I made a couple of, like, you can't make sudden movement with your head when you suffer from vertigo. Oh my goodness. Anyway, now I know what he means. But I'm still afraid to take it. I don't want to run out. Anyway, I use Heather Silk for my blush. And, oh my goodness, I put so many coats of this and it was still sheer. One of the things I noticed is that it had like pink glitter in it, or it makes it wearable. I know Mary Kay did that once before. They did a silver lip gloss back in the 80s, and what made it wearable was it had a pink, like a pink undertone, a pink duochrome. So it made it wearable, and I think that this is the same way. So I'm not 100% sure if I'm actually seeing my lips or it's that pink undertone, the pink glitter in it. I know my face looks yellow. It's been doing that lately. I'm not sure what's going on. I know over the holidays my camera got messed up and I had to get a new one, and I keep getting the same one, Sony, because the Sony Webby, because it's under $200, because I can't afford those other ones. And plus I already had the, you know, the little card that goes with it. Cards are like $100 or more. So I try to stay away from buying more cards. So I'm sorry if my face looks yellow. Sony Webby is not the best camera, but it's all I can afford. But anyway, I know that sometimes it'll go back to being normal and then it'll go back and forth to yellow, and right now it looks yellow. But so anyway, that's what I did. I did the Heather Silk blush. I'm trying not to move my head too much. I actually did my black mascara. I finished my Unique, but I still had the fibers left over, so I kind of use it with one of my MAC mascaras. So I'm still using the fiber but only for filming. Only when I do a tutorial, and then I put purple mascara, but you really can't see the purple mascara. The pink isn't bad. The only thing is when I put mascara on, it kind of gets into the pink, so you can see that it might have some black in it. But because my lashes are thin and my eyes are so deep set, that happens to me. So yeah, and I showed you everything I used from the collection, and then next week I will do the last one, which is the black.